of change. I am Dr. Irina Koles. The program is supported by Bazaar supermarkets in Massachusetts. Today we'll make simple, colorful appetizer. We'll stuff peppers with cheesy stuffing. You know, appetizers are many of them, so it's good to have something new and fresh. We'll use these peppers, colorful peppers, cheese, yellow cheese, goat cheese, yogurt, and dill and a little bit of garlic. You see, these peppers are a little bit different from regular sweet peppers. We'll clean it. They are thinner. They're not as fleshy. You see, the wall is actually very thin, and they're less sweet, less sweet. Also, look, they come in pretty beautiful colors also. Yellow and orange and red. I've never seen green, by the way. Probably this kind doesn't come with green. And the taste is great. I do like the taste. And they're good for everything, not just for appetizer. They're good for stuffing and even cooking and whatever you want. In our culture, we make many appetizers. So like the serving is like maybe at least maybe 5, it can be 15. But that's why it's not easy to come with ideas all the time, because the main dish is only one. Desserts, well, desserts are desserts, but appetizer you need many. So this pepper will help you to enrich your table, enhance the feast. Okay, you see, oh, they're so colorful. just love this. Now, peppers are clean and ready to be stuffed. For stuffing, we'll use goat cheese. This size is okay. Goat cheese, as I always recommend. Cheese is our savior, because you can finish the dinner with cheese. Over the sweet desserts, cheese is going very well and protect you from sugary desserts. And it's great. It's rich in all nutrients. Very actually healthy thing. You cannot say something against the cheese. I like all kind of cheese. This is Mediterranean yogurt. I've seen it in Bazaar West, whole milk. I was thinking, this is what we need today. 1. I don't want it to be too liquid. No, maybe 1.5 for now. We'll see. You see, the stuffing shouldn't be too soft, and it shouldn't be too hard also. We'll make it right. Okay, another thing is yellow cheese. This cheese called flowerless cheese, and it is very good for eating and for grating. It's very, very good. And as you know, I always promote the handmade grated cheese. Garlic. We need to add garlic, so it's up to you how you like it. I don't like too garlicky, but like a little small clove is okay. So I'm choosing small one, and on finally grated, we'll add it. We need about 2-3 tablespoons to this amount. So let's see how it works. The great thing about this peppers and the appetizer is that you can make it up front. You can make it at least night up front, 1 day or even 2, because after all this it goes to refrigerator. Tablespoon. Oh, Look how nice it looks. So fluffy. And I forgot to grate this. If I grate cheese, I'll do it with garlic also. Just to save the working with the garlic press. Okay. Oh yeah, it's enough. It'll be nice. And the last thing we need is dill. Let me transfer it here. The extra cheese. So I think there is no such thing as extra cheese. Cheese is always good. Okay. Very fresh, nice dill. We'll take only definitely this fluffy part, not stems. Okay. You see, you don't need much time for this. You'll make it very quickly, as we are. You'll see how beautiful the new appetizer is. Two kinds of cheese, yogurt, dill, garlic. This is it. The proportion is really doesn't matter. It's not a big deal if you put a little bit more of one of the ingredients, less of another one. You know what? Since we have this cheese already, I'll add a little bit of yellow cheese because we need to cut it then, and I don't want it to be melting. Then we mix it until it is homogenic structure, which we actually, I think, achieved by now. You see, the structure is pretty thick, so not liquid. It shouldn't be like yogurt. It should be, or even cream cheese. It's harder than cream cheese. Well, the most challenging part is stuffing these peppers. Why? Because they're very thin. They're not like sweet peppers, like big and it is easy. But I recommend using such spatula, long handle and silicone, flexible. It works well with this kind of work to put it in, because we need to promote it there. Yes. I was thinking we don't have enough stuffing, but I think it's enough. You can help you with the knife to place it deeper. We are done with stuffing. You see, they are now full of cheese. And what I mentioned that you actually should make them before, because to let it settle a little bit. So they should go to refrigerator for at least half an hour, several hours, at least. But if you make them up front, they can be in refrigerator up to 2 days even, which is good. So you're free. You have free time for preparing other appetizers. So the pepper were in refrigerator, and now they're ready to be served. So I'm taking each and I cut about maybe 1/3 of inch thick slices. This is how it works. Put some decoration here from dill and cut them. Isn't that lovely? So the cheesy stuffing is okay. It's inside. It doesn't fall away. So we have several. So we will. No, it's probably. It's not 1/2 inch, but Third, probably, yes. And these peppers are very good because if you make, and I have a recipe on website weightdestiny.com, sweet peppers stuffed with tuna and chicken, which which is good, but they're big, and so when you take them, they can fall apart. These are more secure. So you have small pieces, and all stuffing is inside. Oh, I love it. Even good for kids, you know. Kids like all this colorful stuff. It's nice. So, what do you think about this new colorful appetizer? Peppers with cheesy stuffing. Colorful, low glycemic, full of vitamins, full of good protein. Just amazing, healthy, appealing food. The recipe you'll find on weightdestiny.com, and you can watch the video and more videos on ActonTV.org. Bye bye and come back soon.